Hello, students. I am expecting you to be on your very best behavior when I'm gone. Um, this video is going to explain what you will be doing during this class period. It is very detailed, so please pay attention. And then if you need to watch it again, you may do so. But I'm going to explain what you will be doing during the class period. And it should take you the majority of the class period, and I will let you know what you can do if you finish early. So if you're looking at our ELA course, and I do realize it says Core 1, so if you're in Core 3, you will obviously go to your Core 3. It's the same exact thing. You go on their modules, and you will see that you have 3 pages already published. The first one is signposts in fiction. Now, I wanted to do a little bit of review, so I do want you to do this. So our learning outcome is, I know this fiction signpost. You should already have your ELA notebook with you. You should have your page turned to the fiction signpost page, and you will read this. It says the note and notice signposts are meant to help you stop while you're reading and ask questions about the text. There are 6 fiction signposts and each has a question attached to it. Below you will see the same image you should have in your ELA notebook. You guys should already have this bookmark. Then next comes the connect, and it says we have read some fiction in class already. For example, The Sound of Summer Running. Had aha moments and memory moments. Watch each video to help you better understand each signpost. You may take notes in your ELA notebook. So we've already discussed the signpost, but I found these videos on YouTube, and you can watch these videos on each different kind of signpost. And so, for example, they're not that long. So you can watch each video to get a better understanding of the signpost. And then I want you to apply. So watch the following short film. What signpost do you notice? Answer the question pertaining to the signpost. So you'll watch this short video. Okay, you'll watch it, and then you'll post the answer to that question here. And all you have to do is double click, and you write your name and your answer here. Okay, make sure you answer the anchor question and look on your bookmark to see what the anchor question is. Then you simply hit next. The next one is parts of a story. So again, we've already done parts of a story. Plot is defined as the main events of the story. In class, we compare the plot diagram to a roller coaster. At first, it starts off slow. Once you reach the top of the hill, you feel the most excitement. Then the downhill goes really fast. Think of the feeling of being on a roller coaster when you think of plot. Beware, the climax does not always mean the middle of the story. So here I have a little diagram of what the plot diagram looks like. And here I have the connect. In class, we discussed the plot of The Sound of Summer Running. You read the short story Stray. Below is the video of me explaining the plot of Stray. So you actually read Stray when I was at bus training a couple of weeks ago. And you had to do an activity where you had to do the plot of Stray. So in this video, I actually explained what the plot of Stray is. So watch it, and then you're going to apply it. So you watch the short video again. You don't have to watch it again. I just provided it for you. And can you tell me the major events of the video, the plot of the video? Write it on a piece of paper and turn it into Miss Miller. Tell me the exposition, tell me the rising action, climax, so on and so forth. Be detailed. And then I want you to answer the question, which character changed from beginning to end? How did this character respond to the conflict? Again, it's a Padlet. You double click, you put your name, and then you put the answer. All right? All right, when you hit and then reflect, I just want you to reflect on this. Think about this in your head. Think about the current book or story you were reading. Can you tell me the main parts of the story? If you have not answered the question on a reader response about plot, now would be a good chance. So you can actually stop here and answer your reader's response question. The last one is central idea of an informational text. So like always, you're going to watch a video for an introduction, and it's me explaining central idea. I'm going to make this video bigger, so don't worry. And then I give you the definitions of inference and central idea. Again, you already have this in your notebook. This is just review. For your apply, you're going to click on the link below and follow the model and practice. Complete the work on a separate piece of paper. Turn it in when you're finished. So you're going to click this link, and it's going to take you to this page. What I want you to do is I want you to click on model. You're going to read this passage, and then you're going to read this. What is the central idea? When you click on this, it'll show you what the central idea is. When you click on this, it'll show you what the supporting details are. When you click on practice, it will take you to this. And again, you're going to read this. You're going to answer this. And it says circle the central idea, underline the supporting detail. Obviously, you're not going to do that because it's not going to be printed out. But what I want you to do is I want you to write on a separate piece of paper. And then you can actually write it on the paper where you did the stray activity as well. So make sure to do that. Tell me what the central idea and tell me what the supporting details are. All right, afterwards, you are going to go to your social studies course. And you only have one thing to do here. You will go to the very bottom. You will go to periods of the Stone Age. It says, watch the Ed puzzle and answer the questions about throughout. Get the notes from the back counter and glue it in your notebook. Title the page, Periods of the Stone Age. All right, the notes are on the back. Make sure you get the notes that say Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic. Do not get the other notes. Leave those notes alone. So you're going to watch this Ed puzzle, and at the end, make sure you have all this information copied down on your notes. Very simple. All right? So again, watch the Ed puzzle. Make sure you have the notes in your social studies notebook. When you are finished with all this, which again, it should take you all of the class period, you can either work on homework or read independently. Some of you have not finished your week 3 social studies weekly, so you can take this time to work on that. So you have a lot of things to do, and I am expecting you to do all of them. All right? So again, no names left for me, and the classroom better be clean when I get back. Have a great day, students.